I made something really cool. I'm actually shooting this after I've done anything else. No, I'm actually shooting this after I'm done with the project. That's what I meant to say. It actually took a few days, mainly because I've been working on the greenhouse. We're starting up a small flower farm in the backyard. So we've been doing a lot of digging and making preparations for that. Sadly, I forgot to film the last part, kind of the final sanding and the polishing. But I'm going to show you the final result, and I'm personally very pleased with it. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Make sure to check out the result in then. It's quite nice. It's hammer time. Again. So I just found this one and I think it looks really cool after the last video. Really? Every time. Anyway, so after the last video I did, I got kind of hooked on doing the mirror thing. I know I said I can't use the tool once I've done it, but I mean, look at this. It's a lot of... Shut up! A lot of flat surfaces, should be kind of easy to clean. I could probably use a file to take out the worst dents and stuff. Since it's basically just flat surfaces, I think I can hammer this project out in a couple of hours. Let's get to it. Takes way too long. I'm gonna try the angle grinder, but I'm gonna do it really carefully so I don't kind of mess it up. Yeah, this is way easier. Ow! Way easier. Just need to make sure I have the same kind of bevel on it. I realized this is gonna take way longer than I thought. Thinking about buying one of those belt sanders. I think that would really speed up the process. I should probably get a haircut soon. That's the plan. I'm gonna get a belt sander, probably a cheap one since I'm cheap, I guess. Oh, by the way, I have a new lens for the camera, so I hope this is gonna be better quality video. I hope the quality is... You're going in the freezer! If you think the quality is better on this video than my last one, please leave a comment and say that it is, hopefully. Or if it isn't, just tell me that. I'll see you when I get the belt sander. Let's see what you get for 150 bucks in Norway. It's the other way around. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, it's a beautiful sunny Friday. Got my safety sandals on. This is the progress from last night. That belt sander really helps. Now we're gonna sand this. We're gonna go 180, 240, 320, 400 and 1000. Yeah. That was all the footage I had. So this is the final result, and as I said, I'm very pleased with the result. It's shiny. It's not a perfect mirror finish, but it's very, very close. So I basically ended up again with a tool I'm not able to use since I don't want to ruin it. I probably will anyway at some point, but yep. Let me know what you think, and check out the other videos I have of different kind of restorations. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.